mind over matter to supersize and grow our businesses. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today for supersize your business is mind over matter. I think we might have talked about this one before, but it's always a good one to revisit, especially when growing and building and supersizing our business. It's traced back to Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, and his philosophy about the mind and the body were separate entities, and the mind actually was more powerful and more important than our physical body in his teachings and in his philosophy. Then in the mid-19th century, Alfred Lloyd Tennyson used a similar idea and concept, phrased a little bit differently than mind over matter, but basically means the same thing. In The Voyage of Muldoon, he used it. And so he's given actually credit for it being in writing the first time. But, you know, how do they know? How do they know who actually wrote something down first? A lot of times it's just a guess, especially when it comes to the internet. You can find conflicting information on the internet all over the place if you look for it. I'm not looking for it, but I still can find it. So what does it mean? It just speaks to the power of our mind and how important our thinking and our thoughts and our beliefs are in terms of creating what it is that we want in our life. Now, some people believe this, some don't. Scientists are studying it to see if they can prove all of the ideas and philosophies that different people have had over the ages. It's a really popular concept with respect to personal development, self-help, control over our own lives and our own destinies. If we think we can and we believe we can, I mean, even Henry Ford said, if you think you can or think you can't, you're right. Either way, you're right. That is actually one of my favorite sayings. So, you know, it's a concept that's central to a lot of what we will or will not do. Will we stretch our comfort zone and go after the things that we want in our business? It's the power of our thoughts and beliefs to create the businesses that we want to see in the world. And I'm all for that. Sign me up. So curious, do you believe, mind over matter, that our mind is extremely important in determining how we will do things, what we will even consider, what we think is possible for us? And does that impact the choices that we make when it comes to growing a business, even starting a business, but growing and building and supersizing it? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. We're obviously focusing on mental well-being, the mental area and aspect of the life framework this month in this year's Get Your Goals annual challenge. So that's why we're having a lot of mind and mental and thought-provoking idioms in Supersize Your Business this month. Have a great day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.